Hello, this is Mike Schmitz from the Conover Company, and today I'm going to be demoing our functional planning system application for the iPhone and the iPod Touch. We're coming out with an update pretty soon, which will make it run natively on the iPad as well. But for today, I'm going to show you what is actually in the App Store right at this moment. And this application right now is $9.99. It's on sale. It's normally $19.99. What it is basically a cross between a calendar app and a video playlist. So let's get started here. I'm going to open it up. The first screen you're going to see here, this is the home screen. This is where you have your list. So in this case I have one called Morning Routine, and inside here we have the different activities like take a shower, brush your teeth, those sorts of things. And there's two different types of activities you can put in here. One, you can record your own. So you can create your own activities, record your own tasks using the camera on the iPod or the iPhone. You can also download our existing activities from our functional skills system through this add-ons tab down here. And that's what this is. Take a shower is from our hygiene program. But when you add an activity, it's going to give you a choice. You can either create new or you can select one from the database. Okay, so in this case, flossing and brushing our teeth, we can add the whole activity, or if we want to, we can even go in and we can select the individual steps. So in the case of taking a shower, for example, maybe the user doesn't need to be prompted to turn the water on, but they do need to be reminded to make sure it's not too hot. We can isolate those individual steps. Okay, but we'll add this activity. It's going to show up in the list here. When we click on an activity, it's going to take us to a video of an overview of that activity. So this is flossing and brushing our teeth.
And brush your teeth. This says how to floss and brush your teeth. Flossing and brushing your teeth keeps your teeth and breath clean. This person is tearing off floss.
Okay, so it's going to give us a general overview of the activity. I'm not going to watch the entire video here. When we're done with that, we'll see this screen, and we've got three different buttons. These are the three different media types that can be associated with each activity or task. You can have an audio file, so when you click on this it will speak verbal instructions. This is the image, okay, and then this is the video. Inside the activity we have tasks. These are basically the steps that we need to do to complete the task, like get the dental floss. And if we click on this, we'll watch the video. When that's done, we'll see this same screen here, audio, image, video. And right here we've got a task completed button. When we do that, it's going to mark that step off as completed. There's a green check mark right here. So we can go through the activity. It's going to prompt us through all the different steps. Okay, and it's going to check it off as we go. Now if we want to reuse this activity, we simply just click on here again and we can reset these steps. Okay, so you can use it more than once. It's not like you create the activity, brush your teeth, every day if that's what you wanted to do. Now the most powerful part about this though is that we can actually set alarms for these different activities and tasks. So I'm going to go back here to flossing and brushing our teeth, for example. I'm going to edit that activity, and right here we can add a reminder. Now this reminder is an alarm that's going to go off, and when we hit OK, it's going to take us right to the video and the tasks and prompt us through step by step the completion of this activity. So I'm going to set this maybe for tomorrow, and I want it to go off at, we'll say, 7 in the morning. Okay, and there's even a button here where we can make it recurring, so if we wanted to do this every day, we could do that. Okay, and then this is going to show up on our calendar view. If we go back here, here's the calendar. Okay, let's go forward a day. Alright, so here's tomorrow. Here's my activity. Here's my activities for the week, my activities for the month. Each one of these days that has a dot on it, that is a day that has an activity. So there's my alarms there. We can go back and see what we've got for today, that sort of thing. But that's how the calendar works. And basically this is a visual representation of all the different alarms that you would have set in the application. So you can use this to plan out a user's entire day. With the customization, with the ability to shoot your own videos, take your own pictures, you can use it to document workplace tasks, things like that. So there's a lot of different possibilities here. It's a very flexible and very powerful video prompting tool. Like I said, it's available in the iTunes App Store. Right now it's only $9.99. It will go up to probably $19.99, especially once the iPad version comes out that has a couple extra enhancements. So get it while you can. The updates are free. And if you have any questions, just let us know. This is Mike Schmitz from the Conover Company, and we'll see you next time.